500 Canadian dollars. And I don't know how to feel about that. I don't know how to feel about that. Cause like, that's crazy. You know what I mean? That's insane. I don't know if I can justify $100. I really want to play it, dude. There already is a Fatal Frame 2 remake? No way. No way. Brutus. Throw another bunny. Look what we learned about the physics. Throwing bunny makes the physics go crazy. This kind of peak. There you go. There's your little gooner treat. It's a Wii game. Oh. I play games with my Wii, too. You ever play games with your Wii? I play with my Wii mode all the time. Hmm? Regular use is really important. Man. Can I get water bombs? Yeah, Deep Crimson Butterfly. Oh. It might be fun on the Wii, though. I could see it being pretty fun. You want me to swap it out with water bombs, don't you? Okay. No, I don't want any. I want to swap it out. I have to. What do you mean head to the next counter? Oh, this one? It was mid? It would be a cool concept to like move the camera around. Like, look, you know, like with the Wiimote, that would be cool. That would be cool. But, you know what I think would be better? You know what I think would be really crazy for Fatal Frame? VR. Imagine VR Fatal Frame. That would be terrifying. That would be really fucking freaky. I would play it. I absolutely would play it. This would be sick. It would be so cool. Alright, let's get this. Let's get 15. There we go. Wii Remote camera moving is like asking for sync problems. That's the thing, right? POV, a ghost sucking you. POV, a ghost sucking me. Listen, this is all I have to say about that ferret. I'll say no more. Okay? It's bedtime? Is it actually? You going to bed? That's okay. That's okay, ferret. If you gotta go to bed, thank you for everything. We'll see you tomorrow. Have a good sleep. Have a good sleep, ferret. Goodbye. Goodbye, we love you. You go to bed too? JJ's band. JJ's band. Only ferret's allowed to go to bed. Only ferret. No, JJ, you can go to bed too. It's okay, it's okay. Good night, good night. Good night. Good night. Only one person in the bed at a time. Dude, could you imagine? If we had to fucking share a bed like that? Would be crazy. That would be crazy. I guess I'll make more fan art. No, you can't go to bed. You have to make more fan art. You have to make fan art. You have to finish your fan art. Chat. Everybody in chat right now has to make fan art. That's the law. You have to make... Wait, you finished already? What do you mean you finished? You already drew fan art? There's no way. Did you post it? You did! Oh my god. Oh my god, he made a new popsicle. Dude, that's so good. That's so good. I have mine, corpse. I put it in my fan art, slider. I'm gonna put the one you did in the fan art slider. But yeah, you can post it. Whoa! Ferret, thank you for getting sub to JJ. I thought you went to bed. Is this Paper Mario? It is Paper Mario. That's a good guess. Damn, Wonder. You're a fucking expert, huh? Why are there chickens in here? I had to sleep too. Unfortunately, my dad is having surgery. And I have to take the dogs to the vet. Oh my god, Wire. Wire, please. Please, 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 get some rest. I wish the best for you and your dad, dude. Good luck. Shrum! Is that my favorite little gooner? That's my favorite little gooner. Hi, Shrum. How you doing? It's literally beautiful. Dude, I love this model so much. It's good, right? It's good. It's pretty good. Oh, man. How we doing? Hi, Jooch. Hi, Shrum. I love your model. Thank you. I spent a long time putting this together. It took me a while. What the fuck? What the fuck indeed? Alright, should I show off the model again? I dance dad duties? No, you're so good, Trump. You're so good. Listen, as somebody who's dated dudes with kids, the kids always come first. Alright? Take care of your children. Look at this, I can cry.